Welcome back to Supercar. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about SUVs of the year, the 2024 Dacia Duster. With its rugged design, modern features, and unbeatable price, it's no wonder the Duster is hailed as the best value SUV of the year. If you're in the market for an affordable yet capable vehicle, stick around as we break down why the 2024 Dacia Duster deserves this title. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the Supercar family for more car reviews and updates. If you're excited about the Duster, give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comments if you're considering it as your next ride. An overview of value. The Dacia Duster has always been known for its exceptional value, offering affordability without compromising on durability. It's the perfect SUV for those seeking versatility and practicality without the premium price tag. The 2024 Duster brings a sleek redesign with improved features while maintaining its unbeatable price. Let's start by asking, what's most important to you in an SUV? Price, rugged design, or performance on and off the road? Let us know in the comments and see how the Dacia Duster stacks up to your expectations. Exterior design. Rugged meets modern. The 2024 Dacia Duster strikes the perfect balance between ruggedness and modernity. With its bold, refreshed front grille, angular design, and new LED headlights, the Duster boasts a premium look. Its higher ground clearance and tough fender flares signal that it's ready for off-road adventures. Do you prefer a rugged SUV or something more urban and sleek? Let us know in the comments and share your thoughts on the Duster's new look. Performance and engine options. Power meets efficiency. The 2024 Dacia Duster offers several engine options, from a fuel-efficient 1.0-liter turbocharged engine with 90 horsepower to a 1.3-liter four-cylinder turbo with 150 horsepower for those who need more power. Whether you prefer a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed automatic transmission, the Duster has you covered. For off-road enthusiasts, the all-wheel drive system is ideal for tackling rough terrains. For city drivers, the front-wheel drive option provides smoother handling and better fuel efficiency. Would you prioritize more power for off-road adventures or fuel efficiency for daily driving? Let us know how you'd use the Duster. Fuel efficiency. More miles for your money. Despite being a rugged SUV, the 2024 Dacia Duster shines in fuel efficiency, delivering up to 50 miles per gallon, depending on the engine option. Whether you're commuting or going on a road trip, the Duster is one of the most affordable SUVs to run. Is fuel efficiency a top priority for you when choosing a car? Or would you trade it for more power? Let us know in the comments. Interior and comfort. Practicality meets modern features. Inside the 2024 Dacia Duster, you'll find a balance between practicality and modern convenience. The seats are more comfortable, making long drives easier, and the driving position offers a commanding view of the road. The updated 8-inch infotainment system, compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, makes it easier to navigate, listen to music, and stay connected. With up to 1,600 liters of cargo space, the Duster is highly practical for road trips, gear, and passengers. Do you value tech features and comfort in your SUV, or is ruggedness and practicality more important to you? Let us know what you think of the Duster's balance. Technology and safety features. Staying ahead of the curve. The 2024 Dacia Duster is packed with technology and safety features usually found in higher-priced SUVs. Adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring ensure a safer driving experience, while keyless entry, a rear-view camera, and parking sensors add convenience. Which safety and tech features are must-haves in your SUV? Is the Duster hitting the mark? Let us know your thoughts. Affordability, the best value for your money. Starting at around $19,000, the 2024 Dacia Duster remains one of the most affordable SUVs available. Even higher-end trims, with more features and AWD, are competitive against other SUVs in the same category. The Duster proves you don't need to spend a fortune to drive something reliable, capable, and modern. Would the price alone make the Duster your top choice, or are you looking for more features to seal the deal? Let us know in the comments what matters most to you in an SUV. And don't forget to subscribe to Supercar for more in-depth reviews like this one. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.